Hey there kids, today I'm going to talk about how you can make a works cited page in Microsoft Word using the References tab. In this tutorial you will learn how to manage your sources under the References tab, how to create the works cited, and then how to copy and paste it into your document on Office 365. You should note before we get started that you have to do this in the desktop version of Word. That's the Word version that you find under the Start menu on your computer. This is not in the Office 365 version, which you access through your webmail. Hopefully someday they will have this in there, but as of right now, it is not in there. So what you're going to do is open up Word from your desktop, and then you're going to choose the References tab at the top of the page. Usually when you get on there, it's on the Home tab. You're going to click References, and then you're going to choose Manage Sources. From Manage Sources, you'll see I already have something on my list that I started. You're going to press New, and then the different types that you might do here at our elementary level is you might choose a book. That would be for an entire book that you maybe read. Book section would be something like an encyclopedia. An article in a periodical would be an article that you read in a real magazine. Or we'll use document from a website. A document from a website for our purposes could also be something you found on Kentucky Virtual Library or any website like Time for Kids or something like that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and choose document from a website, and then you just fill in the information that you have. Now if you're doing this for a book, you should have all of the information available. If you're doing it from a website, sometimes we don't have the information and we can skip it. Like sometimes an author doesn't put their name or something like that. But I'm going to go ahead and type in some information. You want to make sure that you're using correct capitalization and spelling. We should always have the name of the web page. The web page is the individual page that you're looking at. So it might be the title of the article, and then the name of the website would be whatever if you click around through the pages, the website always stays the same. So like Time for Kids is an example of a website. Now hopefully they've published the year, the month, and the day that the article was published. That would be the copyright date, but sometimes they don't do that. You should always, however, have the year accessed, month accessed, and day accessed. That would be the day that you looked at it. So if I use today's date, that would be 2015. The month is August, and 10 for the day. And then medium is either going to be, for our purposes, print or web. Print would be something actual physical that you touch, and web would be anything that you found online. Okay, and then when I'm finished, I just press OK, and you'll see that it appears in the master list and the current list. If I want to take something out of the current list, this would be whatever is published on my works cited. All I just have to do is press delete, and that will get rid of that. And you'll see down here there's a little preview of what it looks like on my page. Okay, if I'm finished, I just press close, and then I'm ready to insert this into my document. So I go to Style, and I want to choose MLA 7th edition if it's not chosen, and then where it says Bibliography, I'm going to click that and choose Works Cited, and there's my Works Cited entry. Now this is in my paper on the desktop. If I need to get this into my Office 365 webmail version, if I did my paper there, I'm going to highlight this with the mouse, right click, and press copy. And then I will open up my web browser where hopefully I have my paper already opened in my Word Online. If this was my feature article, for example. Then to paste that in, I might right click and press paste, and it's going to tell me to use the shortcut key. The shortcut key is Control V, and now my works cited is with my paper. You could do this in PowerPoint as well, and it's a great way to quickly document your sources and make sure that you're not plagiarizing your work. Alright, if you have any questions, see me in the library and I will be happy to help you out.